Jakom board mar sukari e pachoka Nicholas Gumbo okwayo rowere mondo odonji e pur mar niang' kowacho ni sekta mar sukari e kinde mabiro mbele dhi bedo e lwet rowere matiyo kod lony manyasani. Koloso e kinde romo mar nyisruok mar sekta mar sukari ma higani e boma ma Kisumu, Gumbo nowacho ni lony manyasani moriwo tiyo koda ka AI kelo lokruok maduong' e sekta mar pur mar niang' mondo mi obed ohala makelo yuto mabup.
Find that you're trying to so empowering of these farmers as KSB and also
from the miller to the research to the milling, so that we amend that act to something easy.
I could see that almost a third of them were young people, very enthusiastic, and I had an engagement with one of them who told me right now he's planting about 600 acres. Those are very encouraging news. We want to showcase those success stories so that young people can see. Young people will be interested in agriculture and sugarcane growing in particular if they can see that out of it they are able to earn a livelihood.
The youth is registered as a plot manager. All the farming skills and how the crop health, how he's doing it, are securely captured. So basically this provides ownership to the extent that all parties, the millers and financial institutions, can trust.